Well, good morning, everybody. It's Dhaval. It's day 3 out here in Istanbul, and I'm at the Sultanahmet Square. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this is like a very historic square here in the city of Istanbul. It's kind of a blend of cultures, if you will, but there are two famous sites here. Is the Blue Mosque over here, as you can see, and kind of goes back, I don't know, centuries. And then over there is the Hagia Sophia, which is under construction. It's a big church turned into a mosque, but it is welcome for tourists and things like that to go through. It's supposed to be very spectacular. I won't be going inside it today. I also heard the inside of this structure, this religious structure, is also pretty spectacular and historic, but unfortunately it's closed today. I wanted to just give you guys a shot of what I'm looking at here in this this incredible square. There are a ton of tourists out here, and just a lot of history and everything here to check out. So we're going to be heading over to the Grand Bazaar right now and checking out the market and everything out there. But yeah, so again, there's the Blue Mosque.
Yes, yes.
And over there in the distance is the Hagia Sophia. So just because of time constraints and everything, we're not going to have time to see these, but maybe when I come back at the end of my 2 weeks here in Turkey, I'll probably stop by one of these. The Blue Mosque, unfortunately, is closed to the public today because it's a religious holiday, I believe, of some kind. So, but anyway, just wanted to give you guys one last shot here, what I'm looking at. And yeah, it's really spectacular. Let's go ahead and show you guys one more 360 what we're looking at. And anyway, so I'll be checking in with you guys later, and this is Dhaval signing off here from Istanbul, Turkey. All right, take care, guys.